Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Another episode for the Mojo, and this time it is my own Mojo. We are headed to SK Auto Care to try and resolve the missing issue. What I've done is I've removed both the headlight connections, so as soon as the bike starts the headlight will not get any power, the bulb will not consume any power, and battery will be fully charged throughout. So that is one thing I've done. Second, let me repeat this issue first. Throughout nowadays it feels as if if there were two pistons in my Mojo, only one is working. It feels as if it is giving current to only one piston, or since it is a single cylinder motor, let's say it that way, that it is giving a spark and the second one is not getting, third it is getting, fourth it is not getting, so on. So you can feel that while riding there's a pause, and kind of the exhaust also, you can feel from the exhaust you can feel the misfires kind of. So this issue is lowest when my battery is usually charged at the maximum. Like when I was using the cruiser ka auto headlight turn off, that time the issue was at the lowest miss point, so that means it could be related to the charging. Second, once the bike gets hot after riding 15-20 kilometers, not just 2-3 or 5-6 kilometers, but 15-20 kilometers, like from my place, after I reach Autolog, that time almost the missing issue goes off. It is there, but it is at very low or minor stage. So today what we're going to try is change the temperature sensor, and probably one of the pulsar sensors matches. So once we reach SK, I'll continue there and show you what all things we do, and whether by the end of this video you will come to know whether it solves the issue for my bike or not. So this is Soheb at SK. He's checking out the sensor. Now on one of the Mojo groups, I heard from people that if your bike is after 2017, the sensor is similar to Dominar, Pulsar, KTM's and all. This is the temperature sensor. This is the socket for it. So right now Soheb also rode the bike and he felt the missing is still there. So let's change this and see if the issue resolves. This is the Bajaj part number JG351400 and cost is 216. Bajaj prices keep changing every year probably. Let's see, we'll install this one. We can see the coolant coming out. We'll have to top up a bit. Black one is the old sensor and this blue one is the new sensor, and their socket points match, which is this. Let me hold them side by side for you. Okay, same size, same depth, everything, except for the bolt size, the spanner size would be different. So let's put this and check how the bike performs. Going inside, some coolant came out, obviously because it checks the water temperature inside, the coolant temperature. 99% the issue is solved. We've as I showed in the earlier clips, we've changed the temperature sensor and now the bike is much more smoother. I don't feel that missing issue. The bike started to very well. I mean, it was revving freely without any pullbacks. So I'll just test it for 100-200 kilometers and then decide. We'll check the early morning cold start. If there is no issue in cold start too for 2-3 days, then they should 100% resolve the issue. Plus right now I've added a Motul additive for cleaning all the FI, and if there is any gunk inside anywhere. so that should also iron out any small issues, additional issues, because I don't use the bike regularly. So if there are any deposits, even that will get cleared off. As soon as I recorded the previous clip, and now when I going to 5000 rpm, the bike is behaving crazy. So probably the sensor, I can see the sensor warning, it is not sending proper readings ahead. So we'll get the OBD cleared up. Actually, we did a mistake. Whenever you want to change any sensor in the Mojo, you have to disconnect the battery first and then change the sensor. If you don't do that, you will get all sorts of warnings on the dash. So now I'll just try disconnecting the battery and check. If that resolves, we'll have to clear the error with a OBD scanner. So I've noticed one change now. When the bike is cold, it will go up to 5000, 6000, 7000 rpm. Okay, it will cross that, but once it heats up, it will not cross 5000. It will start potting. Let's see if there is any cold start issue because of the heat of the temperature. This thing changed temperature sensor. Why is it not turning to neutral? It is neutral anyways. The bike won't start directly. Battery warning, that's new. Idling is jumping up already, that means sensor is sending some signal ahead. Let me warm it up for some time and then we'll check if it crosses 5000 rpm or not. It crosses 5000 rpm right now. This has never happened before. The only thing is, after warm up, it will lock the RPM at 5000. Let me just ride the bike out for a kilometer and come back. The temperature warning light has started, I think, after 1.5 2 kilometers, but the bike does go beyond 5000 rpm. I'm not sure what is the issue. Maybe next I'll try to read it on the OBD and check what this error is and what this error is, and try to understand. Maybe some other sensor now needs to be replaced, and I'm assuming that the temperature sensor that the new one we put has done its job. Now something else is wrong somewhere else. If anyone else has been through this and knows the solution, please let me know in the comments below. With that said, I'll end the vlog here. Thanks for watching. See you in a new one very soon. Like, share, subscribe.
I didn't wanna see you when you came home.